With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A very warm hello to all. So our question reads as each character is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered in option A cladistic, option B phonetics, option C chemotaxonomy or option D cytotaxonomy. So these four options given basically represents the different systems of classification. So these are basically representing the systems of classification. And classification of what? Classification of organisms into different kingdoms. Right, and kingdoms and then into further subdivisions. Right, so let us understand each of these options and find out the correct answer. So the fourth option, let us start from the bottom. So the fourth option, that is cytotaxonomy, is a type of classification or a system of classification or a system of taxonomy which is based on all these cytological, right? Cytological information. And when we are talking about cytological information, we are basically trying to look upon the different cellular information, right, and what is present within the cell. For example, the chromosome number, the structure and behavior of the different biosynthetic materials present, right, the chemical constituents and the other proportions of the cellular components is what is known as cytotaxonomy, right? So as cytotaxonomy, we are talking about a number of different cellular concepts and not about the different observable characters. So this is not our correct answer. So moving towards the next option, that is option C, which is talking about chemotaxonomy. In chemotaxonomy, we are looking at the chemical, as the name is suggesting, the chemical configuration of these cells, right? And chemotaxonomy is a part of cytotaxonomy. So chemotaxonomy is a part of cytotaxonomy. In cytotaxonomy, we were talking about cellular systems, that is the number of chromosomes and different enzymes in all present, the structure and behavior too of these chemical different enzymes present in the cell, and then we were able to classify them, right? In chemotaxonomy, we are wholly and solely regarding about the different chemical constituents, right? The different chemical constituents of the cells, the similarities and the differences of the biochemical configurations, right? And chemotaxonomy is a part of cytotaxonomy. And here, as we are talking about the biochemical configuration, so this is also not our correct answer, right? So let us jump on to option B, which is phonetics. Now phonetics is just about the different morphological characters, and that too the characters which are easily observable, right, that are observable easily, right? For example, the different vegetative characters, right, So phonetics is all about the observable characters, right? And they are very limited, and they do not provide as much input to taxonomy. So this is also our incorrect option, right? So let us move at option A, which is cladistics, and which is the correct option. Cladistics is basically also referred to as numerical taxonomy. And when we are writing numerical taxonomy, it is quite clear that we are talking about a number of characters, and hundreds of characters we are talking about in numerical taxonomy. Numerical taxonomy is very much easily carried out with the help of computers, right? So it creates a very convenient way of classification, and it is based on all the observable characters, right? Each and every observable characters, and the number and different codes are assigned to all the characters. So number and codes are assigned to all the characters, and they are then further processed. Each character is given equal importance, right? And this can be talked about in the question too, as here it is written each character is given equal importance, and this is seen in numerical taxonomy. And the term cladistics, which is used to refer to numerical taxonomy, comes on the basis that on the matching of these characters, the organisms are divided into different clades, or they are grouped into different clades, and then their evolutionary relationship is defined, right? Evolutionary relationship is defined when they are put into different clades on the basis of these characters. So the correct option or the correct answer to this question is cladistics. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.